So what happens to your car loan when you file bankruptcy? Well, it depends on what you want to happen. In either a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 case, if you want to surrender the car, then you surrender the car, you stop making payments on it, give it back to the creditor. That's simple. If you want to keep the car, it's a little more complicated. In a Chapter 7 case, if you want to keep your car and it has a loan attached to it, then you keep making payments on the car. You check a box that says reaffirm. Then you'll make the same payment, same balance, same interest rate. Just keep making payments as if the bankruptcy didn't even occur. This is reaffirming a car in a Chapter 7. Now in a Chapter 13, it's a little different. In a Chapter 13, if you've had the car for less than 910 days, then you can keep the car with the same balance, and you'll pay it back over a 5-year plan at whatever the statutory interest rate is. This is normally about 5%. So it will stretch your car loan out to 5 years. You'll pay it back at about a 5% interest rate. If you've had the car for more than 910 days, we can do a magic trick in bankruptcy called the 910 cram down. With the 910 cram down, if you had the car for more than 910 days making payments on it, you can cram down the loan amount to the current fair market value. So let's say you owe $20,000 on a car. You've been paying on it for 3 years now. The car is only worth $10,000. We can cram down the loan amount to $10,000, and you will only pay that $10,000 back over a 5-year plan at roughly 5% interest. This is the 910 cram down. The remaining balance on the car goes into your group of unsecured creditors who may or may not receive some kind of payment from the Chapter 13 trustee. So in a Chapter 7, reaffirm the debt, keep making the same payments on the loan with the same interest rate, same balance. In a Chapter 13, you're either going to pay back the same balance over a 5-year plan, or you can cram it down to the current fair market value, also paying it back over a 5-year plan. Either way, if you want to keep the car, you will not lose the car unless you have too much equity or there's some kind of luxury collateral issue or something else which hopefully doesn't apply to you in either case. Thanks.